What's that?
Apple. Apple.
Where's the letter? Apple. Is it A?
Apple.
A.
A. B. Boat.
And what is it? Boat. Yeah. B. Boat. What's that? Huh?
C.
And what is it? A cup?
Cup.
Yeah. C. Cup. What is it?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur? What is the letter?
D. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. D. Duh. Dinosaur. Say dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Yeah. What's that? What's that, huh? No, you gotta leave these. What's this? Look. What's this?
Elephant.
An elephant?
Elephant.
Yeah, E. Elephant. That's right.
F.
That's right. F.
Goldfish.
A goldfish. Yeah. F. Fish. That's good.
Fish. Goat.
That's right. G. Goat.
Goat.
What's that? No. H. Hat. That's right. H. Hat.
Hat.
What's that one? No, it's I. Igloo. Igloo. That's right.
Good job.
What's that one?
Jam.
J. Jam. Jam. Perfect. Ooh, that one you know.
Kite.
That's right. K. Kite.
Waffle.
L. Lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon, yes. You know that one? Monkey.
What does a monkey say?
Okay, you know M. Monkey.
Egg.
Oh, it's a nest. Nest. The nest has eggs in it. Nest. 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 Okay, that's good. Ooh, that one we know. Orange. Orange. Orange.
Good job.
Yes.
Apple.
It looks like an apple, but it's a pear.
Pear.
Pear. Pear.
Yeah, pear.
That's right. What's that?
Right. Queen.
Q. Queen. Yes.
Queen.
Q. Queen.
What's that one?
Rick.
R. Rabbit.
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 Yeah, that's perfect.
S. Silver.
It's for Sophie. S is for Sophie.
Sophie.
S. Sophie.
Sophie. Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
What does a tiger say?
Why?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You are banana.
Umbrella.
job.
You umbrella.
Banana.
Umbrella.
That's banana.
Yeah.
Buzzer.
What's that one?
B.
V.
Good job.
Violin.
Bubba, come over here, please.
V. Violin.
Brian.
Can I give you a kiss?
So, well, go first.
It's what?
Rio.
A whale. Yes. W. Whale.
Rio.
Say W.
Rio.
Yeah, W. Whale.
Rio. S.
What?
Phone.
X. Xylophone.
Cell phone.
Yeah, that was tough.
That is a hard word.
What? Yeah.
Y. Yeah. Yo-yo.
Dayo.
Yo-yo.
Why? Yeah. Dayo. I don't know.
Good
I
job.
don't know what you know. I don't know how you use it. Zebra.
Zebra. Yeah, zebra.